take your credit card or gift card or whatever, shim it in between the vents and the rest of the car, rotate it around the outside, and the vent will pop out. There's 2 clips on either side. Then and in the new vent, there is this secondary little vent thing. It can be popped out just by bending the vent a little bit. There's a little arm inside, don't worry about breaking it, because that piece goes in the garbage. Then you're going to want to take and mark with a piece of tape or something that you can see. I use tape because it's straight. Just above the circle where that post was for the secondary vent, take and mark a circle all the way around, because you're going to cut basically right above the circle. So once that's marked up, go cut it out. You can use Dremel, hacksaw, fucking whatever. It's just, it doesn't even have to be straight. Just go for it. After that's done, they'll be a lot shorter than the other vent. And just clean up the edge with a bit of sandpaper, just to get rid of all the nasties, the burrs. And then take your Dremel, or whatever, rotary sanding tool, if you have a belt sander, you can do it there. Just trim off about 1 to 2 millimeters around the outside. Just go back to your car, check each one as you do it, make sure it stays round and it's the right size. After you get it to where you want it to be, you can either shave off a lot and it'll be loose and you can spin them, or you can shave off just a little bit and it'll be snug. The outside vents require more sanding than the inside vents.